Title: How Compounding Quietly Builds Millionaires, the One Trick You're Ignoring. Part 1 Definition: Compounding, or compound interest, is when the money you earn also earns money. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow and gets bigger. And then the bigger snowball picks up even more snow faster. With money, you start with a little, it grows, and then that grown amount grows too. Over a long time, compounding can turn small savings into very big amounts. Very simple example. You put $10 in a jar that grows 10% each year. After 1 year, $10, $11. After 2 years, $11, $12.10. You earn on the $11 now. After many years, the $10 grows much more than just $1 each year because you earn money on the money you already earned. Part 2. Problems caused by ignoring compounding. If you don't use compounding, these problems can happen. Slow growth. Your savings grow only a little, so you won't reach big goals like a house or retirement. Missed time. Starting late means you lose many years when compounding could have worked for you. Higher required savings later. If you delay, you must save much more each month to catch up. Reliance on luck. Without compounding, you need bigger, riskier bets to get rich quickly. Frustration and giving up. Little progress makes people stop saving or investing. Kid example. If you start saving $5 every week at age 10 and let it grow, you may have way more by 30 than someone who waits until 20 to save $10 every week. Part 3. Why this matters. Significance. Compounding matters because it's the easiest, safest way to build big wealth over time without needing big one-time wins. Its importance. Time multiplier. The longer you keep money working, the more powerful compounding becomes. Small actions matter. Even tiny savings can become huge with enough time. Low-risk growth. Regular saving plus compounding is less risky than trying to get rich fast. Freedom and choices. Compounded savings can buy options, higher education, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Beat inflation. Compounding, if your money grows faster than prices, helps your money keep value. Simple story. 2 friends. Ollie starts saving $2 a day at 15. Ben starts saving $5 a day at 25. Even though Ben saves more each day, Ollie's early start may leave him with more money later because compounding had 10 extra years to work. Part 4. Common causes. Why people ignore compounding. People miss compounding for many reasons. Here are the common ones, explained simply. Starting late. People think they'll save later and never start early. Time is compounding's best friend. Small amounts feel useless. People think $5 won't change anything. But small amounts do change things if left to compound long enough. Fear of investing or risk. Some avoid putting money where it can grow because they worry it might drop in value. So they keep cash that doesn't compound. Impatience, want quick results. Compounding needs time. People who want fast success look for shortcuts instead, not understanding how it works. The math seems tricky. So many don't learn or use it. Debt and high interest payments. High interest debts, like credit cards, cancel out compounding because they grow what you owe faster than your savings grow. Spending habits and lifestyle inflation. When people earn more, they often spend more instead of saving extra. So compounding never gets more money to work with. No automatic saving plan. If saving must be a choice each month, people forget or spend the money. Automatic plans help compounding start early and stay steady. Poor financial education and myths. Myths like investing is just gambling or only rich people can benefit stop people from trying. Short-term thinking encouraged by culture/media. Ads and social pressure push people to buy now, not save for later. Kid-friendly example tying causes together. Maya thinks $1 a day is too small, so she waits until she's older to save. Her friend Arjun saves $1 every day from age 10. Over many years, Arjun's small daily savings grow a lot because compounding had time. Maya missed the chance to let compounding work. Part 5. Simple statistics, easy facts about compounding. Small amounts add up. If you save $5 every week and get a 5% yearly return, in 10 years, you'll have around $2,900. In 30 years, that can grow to over $9,000. Time matters most. Starting 10 years earlier can more than double what you end up with, even if you save the same amount later. Many people start late. Surveys show many adults begin serious saving in their 30s, missing powerful years for compounding. Debt works opposite. Credit card debt with 20% interest grows fast and can wipe out years of compounding on savings. These numbers are simplified to show the idea. Tiny regular savings plus years equals big difference. Part 6. Effects, signs, and symptoms. How to know you're missing compounding. Effects. What happens if you ignore compounding? You need to save much more later to reach the same goals. You rely on risky, big wins instead of steady growth. Your money may not keep up with rising prices, inflation. Signs and symptoms. Easy clues something's wrong. You have a hard time reaching long-term goals, college, buying a home, early retirement. You only save sporadically, sometimes lots, sometimes nothing. You keep most money as cash with little or no interest. You carry high-interest debt while also trying to save small amounts. You feel frustrated because saving seems to do nothing. Kid example. If you stash birthday money under a pillow, no growth, while your friend puts the same money into a savings account that earns interest, your friend's pile will be bigger later. That's compounding at work. Part 7. Step-by-step solutions. How to use compounding, a simple model. Overview. Use small, steady actions and time will do the rest. Think of planting a tree. Water it regularly, protect it, and it grows tall over years. Step 1. Start now, even tiny amounts. Put something away today. Even $1 counts because time helps it grow. Step 2. Make saving automatic. Set up an automatic transfer from pocket money or paycheck into a savings/investment account so you don't forget. Step 3. Choose the right place for growth. Use a savings account with interest or a simple investment like a low-cost index fund. Ask a grown-up. These make your money work for you. Step 4. Reinvest earnings. Let interest earn interest. Never take out the interest/returns if you can avoid it. Let the money you earn stay invested so it also earns. Step 5. Pay off high-interest debt first if you have it. Debt with very high interest, like credit cards, grows faster than most investments. Paying it down clears the way for compounding to help you. Step 6. Be consistent and patient. Keep saving regularly and wait. Don't expect big jumps overnight. Step 7. Increase contributions over time. When you get raises, allowances, or gifts, add a bit more to your savings so compounding has more to work with. Step 8. Use simple tools and check yearly. Use calculators to see how savings grow and review progress once a year. Celebrate small wins. Simple example plan. Save $2 per day, $60 per month. At 5% yearly return. 10 years is almost equal to $8,000. 20 years is almost equal to $20,000. Exact numbers vary, but the idea shows growth over time. Lessons learned short and clear. Compounding equals money making money. Time is the most powerful tool. Start small and start early, tiny. Regular savings beat waiting for big amounts. Make saving automatic, reinvest returns, and reduce high-interest debt first. Be patient. Compounding rewards steady habits over many years. The earlier you begin, the easier it is to reach big goals. You can start today. Even one small step helps the snowball begin to roll.